Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix keyboard keys not working on your laptop and PC. So as you can see, when I try to type, it's not working and it's making this sound on my keyboard. Very easy to fix, so you just right click here on your start icon, and then I want you to come here and click on settings from that menu. Now, once your settings load up, I want you to come over here and click on ease of access, okay? So we click on this. It'll open up all of these options, but I want you to come here, the left-hand panel, scroll down until you see keyboard under interaction. So click on keyboard, and if we scroll down here, this is what the issue was. Filter keys were on. So sometimes if you hold shift for about 8 seconds on your keyboard, it turns on filter keys, and that's what causes the main issue. So I'll turn this off. There we go. Come back to my notepad, and let's type it in. Subscribe. There you go. Anyways, it works now. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.